today's video, I'll show you on just how to use ChatGPT. So, let's hop straight into the video. First, go ahead and download the ChatGPT app, then open it. This is the home screen. Now, to use ChatGPT, you'll need to either create an account with either Apple, Google, or sign in with your email. And if you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Now, to create an account, add in your first name, last name, and birthday. Then hit continue. Once you've verified that you're human, hit continue. Then hit continue again. Now with ChatGPT Plus, you can get more messages on GPT and access to GPT-4. Higher limits for photo and file uploads. Generate images with Dale. Use Create and share custom GPTs. Last but not least, early access to new features. So if that's something that you're interested in, then you can purchase ChatGPT Plus for only $19.99 a month. So this is the homepage. This is where you can ask ChatGPT virtually anything, or have it tell you a fun fact, or have ChatGPT generate a prompt. Whatever it may be, Chat has you covered. Click in the top left-hand corner. This is where you can start a new chat or open an old chat. To explore other options, click Explore GPT. At the top, you have your top picks, writing, productivity, and research and analysis. ChatGPT can also generate images. So for instance, if I ask ChatGPT to create an illustration for a bakery, it'll generate a summary with key details, and then produce your image. The summary that I was given was basically of sheaves wheat for a bakery packaging. And this is what the image looks like. Now if you tap on it, you'll get a closer look at the image. If you tap on the dots in the top right hand corner, you can view the prompt and determine whether or not it's a good response or a bad response. Click on ChatGPT up top, and this will give you the option to share, rename, archive, and delete. If you scroll across the menu on the bottom, there are a couple of prompts that you could ask or modify. So let's see what this one does. Not only did it give a step-by-step breakdown, but it also broke it down by day. Now, if you're someone that struggles with ideas, this is the perfect way to just start creating, because the ideas are already there for you. You can also type in a prompt for ChatGPT as well. So let's say, write me a 100-word essay about why YouTube is important. And look at that. It hits multiple points on just why YouTube is important. And of course, if there's something that you see that you don't like, you can always take it out. And that's how to use ChatGPT. Full tutorial. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.